So this is definitely a lot harder when your truck is on the other side, especially on the harder levels where you won't be able to see this guy because of shadows. But anyway, uh, let's have some fun. So this time we're going to turn all hard to the right, hard to the right, hard to the right, hard to the right. Keep her going, keep her going, keep her going, and hold hard to the left. And I'm going to stop at a straight back. All right, because I kind of want to see what's going on. I can look in both mirrors and I can see everything. Well, I just can't see directly behind me, but I can see where the truck is. Okay, so I'm going to turn to the right and kind of maintain. I'm going to do it like, and now I'm going to chase full. As you can see, I jackknife too much. That's fine. I can like if you keep going, basically if I keep going, it won't be till around here until you actually can see this truck in this mirror. So I'm just going to go forward again, all the way to the right. Okay, now we can see what's going on. I can do another straight back. Now this because we have a top view down, it's a lot easier. All right, this is kind of like some more tips for a real world situation. All right, okay, nice straight back. Yeah, I didn't get 3 stars, but we all know I can. Okay,